Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today we're going to be making this sympathy card. And I needed a sympathy card for a very good friend of mine who lost her husband very suddenly. And I wanted to do something that was really quick and easy to put together, and this is what I come up with. So I'm not going to open the card because I've got my message inside, but this is what it looks like. And I thought it turned out really nice. So to make this card, we'll be using the Papercraft Society Box, and I'll be using the magazine that's called The Complete Guide to Die Cutting, and I'm just using this for the sentiment. I'm not subscribed to the Papercraft Society boxes, I just get them, you know, if I fancy one of them. So this one is by Stamps by Me, and we are using the stamp set from this kit and also the sequins. So if you want to know how I did it, then let's get started. So I've got all my cardstock cut and ready. So the first one I have is a card base, and this is 5 by 7, and for this I've actually used the 5 by 7 white cards and envelopes by Craft UK Limited. Then the next piece I have some coloured cardstock, and for this I used the Tonic Studios cardstock. I'll link everything down below in the description bar below for you. So this piece measures 4 7/8 by 6 7/8, and that's going to get attached onto the top like that. And then we have another piece of white card, and this is going to be for our stamped images, and this is going to be 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, and then that will lay on top of that one. Then I have these two oval die cuts. The white piece I actually cut out with this die here, and then for the mirrored piece I actually just traced around the outer edge of that die and cut it out with my scissors because I don't have a die that's bigger than this one. And then those two are going to get glued together, and then I'm going to stamp my sentiment on there. And if you want to know the size of this die, it is 2 3/8 by 2 7/8. Okay, so that's all them cut ready. So for the stamped image, I used the Papercraft Society Box number 45, and I'm just going to get the stamp to show you. So I used this image here. So I have them on my stamping tool. So first of all, we're going to stamp our image, and I want to stamp this twice, and I want it to be, so one is in this corner here and then the other one in the top corner there. And the ink I'm using is a Stampin' Up ink pad, and this is called Smoky Slate. Now what I want to do is I want to add some ribbon. So I've got this organza ribbon, and I'm going to wrap it around the center like that, and just add some tape on the back to keep that in place. And then I'm going to get another piece and just tie it into a knot around the one that we've attached to our card, and then tie a bow. And this will get attached to the green piece, and then this will get attached to the card base. And then for the sentiment, I've added some foam pads to the back. Okay, and I'm going to attach that to this mirrored piece. And then I'm going to add some liquid glue and I'm going to attach it over the ribbon just there. And then finally I'm going to add some of the sequins that come in the Papercraft Society box. And there we go. That is the quick and easy sympathy card, and I hope that you enjoyed this video of me putting this together. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. And as always, everything will be linked in the video description bar below. And until next time guys, take care and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.